Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this recording, we'll demonstrate the use of iMachining on this machine part. If we just first take a look at our CAM part, you'll note that we've defined our machine, we've defined the material that we'll be working on, and we also have the default machining level as shown over here. Now, our first operation has a regular face mill operation just to clear off the excess material that's on top of the part itself. Our second operation will start with the iMachining, and if we open up the operation itself, you can see we have our geometry as shown over here, this open pocket area. We have our tool, which is a 12 millimeter end mill with 6 flutes and a cutting length of 24 millimeters on its flutes. The depth in this particular case will be up until this surface over here. If we take a look at our technology wizard, you can see that we'll be working at the machining level at 6. And since there's enough cutting length on the flute to go down the entire distance, we'll be doing this in one step down. In our technology, you'll note that we have a wall offset. If we take a quick look at the simulation, you'll note that the tool goes down and does a trochoidal cut within this pocket, as this pocket is an open pocket where it can actually come in from the outside as shown over here, completing it up until the very end. Now, in our next operation, we'll again be doing a rough cut inside this area over here. So as far as the technology goes, it's the exact same as in the previous operation. We have our geometry as shown over there, and we have our correct tool needed for this operation, and of course the levels of from where we have to work up until where we have to work. In our next operation, we'll be doing a finish cut in this area over here. So if we were to just go into that operation, the geometry is the exact same as in the previous operation. We'll be using the exact same tool, but note we have used the option of iFinish. If we go into our technology, you can see we have the option over here now of iRest data, where the parent operation was automatically taken from the previous operation with all of its necessary parameters. If we take a look at the simulation, you'll see that it goes in and does a finish cut on those areas over there. Now, our next operation will also be a finish cut of iMachining, this time finishing off the area where the very first iMachining operation did a rough cut as shown over here. In our next operation, we'll be doing another iMachining rough cut. This time, the geometry will be this area over here, where we have this entrance area over here, and this area over here also open, and the rest are all closed. The tool that we'll be using will be the exact same tool we used in the previous operations, and our levels will be from the upper level over here up until this depth over there. And in our technology wizard, you can see that we have our machining level set at 6, and the same as before with our technology with our wall offset. Taking just a quick look at the simulation, you'll see that the tool goes in, a trochoidal cut on this entire area over here. Now, the next operation again will be a finish operation for this operation that we've done before, finishing those walls as shown over here. Now, the rest of the iMachining operations, all basically working with the exact same technology and the exact same tool. This one covering the area of this pocket over here with its finish cut as well. This one covering these two open pockets as shown over here with its respective finish cut, and this one working on this closed pocket, showing the actual spiral cut, the morph spiral cut on this pocket itself, and of course with its finish cut as well. The rest of the operations over here are the drilling operations needed to drill out these holes over there, and these profile operations will be doing a cut inside this hole over here to finish off the step inside over there, as well as the finish cut for those pockets. And we also have the rest of them over here doing chamfer cuts on the rest of the part. Now, if we take a look at the simulation on the entire part, you can see the tool doing the face mill, then doing the iMachining in the various pockets where it needs to do it, such as this one over here, where it does complete tricordial. These pockets on the side over here, these open pockets, the next deep one over here, and these closed pockets as shown over here. Finishing all of the operations necessary in iMachining, plus doing the drilling operations and the chamfering on the part itself. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website, www.solidcam.com, and look for the tab called SolidCAM Professor. Thank you for joining us on SolidCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.